guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to discuss 5 easy steps on how you can improve your English skills. If you want to know more about that, stick around and continue watching until the end of the video. There you are. Thank you so much for staying. If you're new to this channel, welcome to Get Tinsified, the first and official YouTube channel of MyEnglishSensei.com. My name is Bettina, and welcome to your English lifestyle channel. As promised, I will be discussing 5 easy steps on how you can improve your English skills. Oh yes, you're right. No pressure. No pressure. You can do it anytime, anywhere. So if you guys ready, let's get started. Number 1. Practice English by yourself. How? It's easy. If you're living with a bunch of people at home, a simple English greeting won't kill you, like good morning, good afternoon, how are you? Nice to see you again. Greet your neighbors or even the people at work. This won't require them to answer back in English. It doesn't matter whether they would answer you in Spanish, Czech, German, or even in Filipino. I know it might sound a little bit weird, and if you're too shy to express yourself in English with people, then do it on your own. Say your daily affirmation to yourself in English, like, I can do this. I'm gonna make it. I will be okay today. If you are shy to do it, and if you think you can't do it today, then if not today, when? Remember, change starts from within. So focus on your goal. A little bit of practice every single day will do the magic. I'm telling you people, it works. Number 2. Follow and listen to a podcast. If you're not confident enough to speak, then practice with your ears. Listening to a podcast will help you gain better comprehension each and every day. Getting familiar with the sound and how a native speaker speaks the language can be helpful. A good source of podcasts is BBC. I will leave the link on the description box below for your reference. Do it while you're driving, while you're walking, while on a train, going to work, or even when you're jogging. There are lots of ways to incorporate listening in your daily activities without compromising your time and schedule. Number 3. Read. And when I say read, I mean read aloud. Yes, you heard it right. Reading aloud can actually work. Of course, you would choose to read good enough to hear yourself. You don't want people or everybody to know what you're reading about. I know some of you guys would say, I don't have time. I'm busy. I can't read when the kids are home. Uh-oh, stop making excuses. Reading a page or 2 of an English book won't make you less of a person, and it won't take so much of your time. Think of it as if you're just taking your night pill before bedtime. Reading at least 5 to 10 minutes every night will actually give you an opportunity to meet new words and enhance your vocabulary and English comprehension. Number 4. Watch. Who hates watching? If you can spend a whole day watching your favorite local TV program, then why not spare half an hour or two for an English series or a movie? Netflix comes handy this time. Everybody loves Netflix. For sure you have Netflix. If not, then what are you guys waiting for? Grab your phone, get it from your Play Store now. They actually have a trial period and it will just cost you a few bucks monthly if you wish to keep it after. Check out some of my favorites. If you do have your own Netflix favorites, please feel free to comment down below and share it with us. Finally, we're down to number 5. Practice with somebody. I know that you're a little bit hesitant to speak in English with a native speaker right away, but you don't have to. Talk to your friends, to your workmates, to your boss, to your mom, or even to your dog. Yes, you're right. You can actually talk to somebody in English even if they're not native speakers, and it won't cost you a single penny for it. However, if you wish to take another step further, then there are lots of options for you to explore. First, you can actually enroll in an actual English center. There may be one located near your area or hire an offline English tutor that you can meet and study with your own preferred schedule. Second, learn English online. Yes, there are lots of ways to learn English online with somebody. This is by far the most convenient and budget-friendly way to learn the language. You can actually search in Google for some English tutorial websites that can suit your English needs. But you can also check mine at www.myenglishsensei.com. Now before we do a recap, I just wanted to say that this video is not sponsored and it's just based from my own experience and opinion. Now let's do a recap. Practice English by yourself. Follow and listen to an English podcast. Read. Watch. Practice with somebody. There you have it. 5 easy steps on how you can improve your English. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button below to get notified for more upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!